In this video, I will show you how to buy Brett on Coinbase Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser or an internet browser if you're on a PC. And what you want to do is come across to this following website, which is coinmarketcap.com/currencies/Brett with 2 T's. Now, once you come across to here, this is going to take you to an information page for the Brett token. Now, if you actually scroll down, you'll go in to see the contract section down here. And what you're going to want to do is actually copy this address. So you want to press the copy button, just like so. As you can see, it's copied to clipboard. And once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Coinbase on your device. So once you've gone ahead and opened up your Coinbase app and you're logged in, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and press onto these dots just up here. That's going to open up a window like this. And from here, you want to scroll down slightly until you see this icon here for Coinbase Wallet, which is under the Web3 and the app section. So just go ahead and press onto your Coinbase Wallet. What it's going to do is open up a screen like this. Now, from here, you want to come down to the toolbar at the bottom and you want to actually press onto browser, which is the icon in the middle just here. And what you now need to do is go ahead and select Uniswap. So what you can do is just scroll through. You can see the top D apps here. You just want to go ahead and search for this Uniswap one and then press onto it. And what that's going to do is take you to the swap screen like this. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and select your token from the top. So I'm just going to leave it set to Ethereum. Then on the buy section, you want to press onto the pink select token button just here. And you want to select the token, so basically the network that this is part of. Now, if we come back to the address, the contract page for Brett, you can see this is part of Arbitrum. So what we're going to do is come back to our Coinbase wallet and we're just going to look for Arbitrum on here. So you can see that's just here, like so. Then what you can do is press onto it again and you can go ahead and paste the address into the box here and search for this. Of course, you want to make sure this is set to Arbitrum, just like so. As you can see, it's located to the Brett token, so we can press onto this. It's going to come up with this screen like this. All you need to do is press the pink I understand button. And all you need to do next is just put the amount that you want to sell and buy. So for example, 20 Ethereum. And I'm just going to minimize this. And it's going to tell you how much you want to buy. So you would just put that into here. Then what you would do is wait for it to fetch the best price. And what you can then do is continue to purchase Brett on Coinbase. So that is how to buy Brett on the Coinbase wallet. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.